Hello, my name is Menna. I'm one of the upper GI clinical nurse specialists at the University Hospital of Wales. I've been a qualified nurse now for 4 years, and the reason why I'm giving blood today is because I care for a number of patients who require blood, especially our patients who sometimes come in with upper GI bleeds and sometimes become anemic. I'm actually giving blood for the first time today. A little bit apprehensive, naturally, I think most people are, but really looking forward to coming out the other side and knowing that I've done a good job. I got into nursing from kind of my mum. She's a nurse, and when I was younger I just had a passion for nursing really when I used to go and see my mum and what she did, and then did much of my training on the wards in the University Hospital of Wales. Every patient in their cancer journey that we care for may need blood at some point, and seeing the impact that kind of patients feel after having a blood transfusion, you can see it even from down to the way that they feel. They feel like they've got more energy, less fatigued, but also obviously it's a vital part of recovery. So I was a bit nervous to begin with, because I've never given blood before, and I was actually really reassured by everybody that I met along the way. They were all aware that it was my first time, so kind of went above and beyond to reassure me. I would really encourage my friends and family to donate in the future. I think it's a really simple thing to do actually, but it goes a long way in helping patients. I probably learned today that it wasn't as bad as I originally pictured it to be. That it's such a simple process to go through, and that the bags that I actually donated into are the things that I've used on the ward. I will definitely consider to donate them in the future.